Hello guys, use smartphone Huawei Y6p in the black color, version 3GB RAM memory and 64GB internal memory. Start unpacking. Device made of plastic. Okay. In compactation we have key for SIM slot, adapter for charging and micro USB cable. Okay, plastic body, on the back side triple camera LED and fingerprint scanner, front side 6.3-inch front camera, slot for tuner SIM card and micro SD card for memory, on the right side power key and volume keys. Downside, speaker, microphone, headphone jack and micro USB port. Turn on device, settings, about phone, UMI 10.1.0, Android 10. MediaTek MT6762, RAM memory 3GB, internal memory 64GB, resolution HD+. Okay, look onto the benchmark results. And start Asphalt 8, the money game. Let's see gameplay. Okay, game load. Works good. Okay, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Main camera triple camera, 13 plus 2 plus 5 megapixels. Let's see photos. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.